Welcome to the Building Architecture channel. This channel explores fascinating insights into exterior design, interior decoration, and unique, functional home architecture. The historic stone house, located in the heart of Scaiano village, originally consisted of a main structure with a vaulted cellar and two upper floors containing the kitchen, living, and sleeping areas. A later addition, also constructed from solid natural stone, included a small grape brandy distillery on the ground floor, a room on the first floor, and an attic above. An exterior stone staircase and several small walls in front of the main facade were likely built at the same time as the annex. Before the annex was added, a small square, the only one in the village, existed in front of the main building. Prior to its renovation, the house had been inhabited for over 20 years. While it was temporarily protected with a roof to prevent further deterioration, it required a full renovation to meet modern comfort standards. The stone walls were mostly preserved, with only the joints needing attention. Insulation was added inside the walls, and the original wooden beam floors were replaced with concrete, providing additional support for the old structure. A new pitched roof was introduced on the main house, while the annex was fitted with a roof terrace, paved with natural stone. The main design goal was to emphasize the raw power of the stone walls and maintain the building's historical simplicity. To restore the small village square in front of the house, the exterior stone staircase was removed and a fountain and bench were added, encouraging spontaneous gatherings. The former vaulted cellar now serves as the main entrance. It has been divided into an unheated outdoor zone and a heated entrance area that includes a wardrobe and a small room with a wash basin and shower. A new staircase, cut into the old stone wall, provides access to the upper floors. The former distillery is now connected to the vaulted cellar and serves as a cool summer loggia, complete with a simple Ross steel fireplace. A glass facade was installed facing the rooms toward the lake, positioned about 60 centimeters away from their original stone walls. This glass layer acts as a second skin, providing climate protection while allowing natural light to filter into the rooms. The outer zone is mostly open to the elements, with rain allowed to enter. This approach preserves the authentic stone facade, maintaining the building's historical character while letting in zenith light and creating beautiful light reflections inside. Such natural light would have been impossible without this design, given the village's narrow streets. Interior materials were chosen to complement the building's ancient structure, with natural cement floors, stone gray plaster for the walls and ceilings, and oiled larch wood joinery. In the end, the new intervention does not compete with the original building. Rather, the old and new elements blend seamlessly, creating a harmonious new ensemble.